Guys, and welcome to a new video on Civol Tutorials channel. Today I will show you how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. Without further ado, we are going to go right into it. First thing that we need to do is open our TikTok app, of course. When we are here, click on your profile and go to these three lines in top right corner. Here, click on settings and privacy. Now, here find content preferences. As you can see, restricted mode is turned off, but if it is on, you will need to set a passcode. Let's say 4 zeros for this. Now I will not see some content that TikTok finds harmful or something like that. But if I want to disable it, go to content preferences, restricted mode, turn off, type the passcode, next, and you turn off restricted mode on TikTok. That will be all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Until next one, I wish you all the best. Bye.